This dude right here about to jump in this water. It's freezing too.
Oh no.
This dude right here. My dog.
Wow.
I gotta watch from over here, man. For real, jump right on top. Get that shit. It just rained.
Oh my god.
Huh? You gonna jump right there?
You gonna jump right there, man?
You gonna wear your hat? So Matt, how do you feel about this?
Imagine that shit.
Dude, take your socks off. What the fuck are you thinking? Exactly, dude. This dude's about to jump in with the socks.
You owe me for this, man.
Yeah, I know.
Ah!
Yeah. Yeah. Shit,
Oh,
yeah.
my
Can I push you off? Oh, yeah. Dude, just jump. Can I push you in? Hey, Dad, come here, hold this camera. I'm gonna push him in.
I'm gonna go all the way over there, man.
I'm gonna push you in.
I'll jump in.
Alright, then jump, nigga. Pussy. So pussy.
I'm gonna count down.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Dude, holy shit. How do you zoom in with this shit? Is it cold, man? Hey, dude, how'd you get wet?
Man, you should get it from here.
Go do it again, I'll get you from this
Fuck
angle.
that.
Go do it again, I'll get you from this angle. Dude, you're already wet. Let's do it again. Matt, I'm gonna get you from this angle. Go do it again. Come on, man, I gotta get you. I gotta get 2 angles. Matt, just do it, man. You're already wet. You can see it. Was it better over here? Matt, do it again. I didn't get you on camera.